Hi everyone. In today's tip, we're going to deploy a simple web application from a single container. In this case, the open source wiki platform MediaWiki, which serves as the backbone for Wikipedia. We'll start by creating a new volume that will store the persistent data for our wiki. And we'll do that with docker volume create Wikidata. Now, we're going to run a Docker container based on the official MediaWiki image. We'll call our new container SoloWiki, since it's going to run in a single container configuration. We'll also publish a port so we can get access to the application on our host machine, and we'll add our volume for persistent storage. Now, when we visit localhost 8000 in our web browser, we should see a starting page for our wiki, but the app still needs to be set up. So on the starting page, go ahead and click Set up the wiki. Choose your language and continue. The installation should pass its environmental checks, so you can click Continue. Now on the database configuration screen, you're going to want to choose SQLite, and you're going to want to specify the directory linked to our volume for the data directory. In this case, Wikidata. Now you'll need to name the wiki and create a username and password for the administrator account. From here, you can go ahead and complete the installation. Click I'm bored already, just install the wiki, and then continue. And then press continue again. You should get a congratulations screen, which will automatically download a file called localsettings.php to your machine. If it doesn't do this automatically, click the link. This file takes many of the settings you've chosen, the database type, server, and credentials, for example, and associates them with variables used by the larger app. Now, we need to put the localsettings.php file we've just downloaded onto our host machine and into the base directory for our wiki installation. There are a number of different ways we could do this. For now, let's hop onto the running container, peek under the hood, and add the file manually. We'll open a shell session. Note where we've landed within the container and have a look around. This is where we want to put our localsettings.php file. One way we can do this is to open the file in the text editor on our host machine, copy the contents, then create a new file in the container. Now, we're going to need to download Nano to do this. So we're going to use apt update, and then apt install Nano. And then we can simply copy the contents of localsettings.php and paste them here. We'll use Control O to write out, press Enter, Control X to exit. Now, we've made some changes to the container file system itself. These are changes outside of the persistent volume. So in a new terminal tab, we should commit the changes to a new image. We'll also want to stop our running container, and then get rid of our running container. Now, if we run our new container and navigate to localhost 8000 again, ta-da! We have a fully configured wiki. I recommend logging in with your administrator account and making changes to the main page. If you stop and restart the container, you should find that your changes have persisted. Now we have a functional containerized app running from a single container. I hope this was helpful. If so, please join us for our future videos walking through different tips for using cloud-native technologies like containers, Kubernetes, and more. Thank you.